Hello and welcome to another video. This one's going to be a short video and it's going to be how to lather Mitchell's wool fat. So I've just had a shower. Whilst I've been showering I've bloomed the soap with cold water, and I'm going to tip the bloomed water from a brush into my mug. Dip my brush in the bloomed water. It's only a synthetic, so you don't have to soak it for long, just dip it in. And I'm going to wring it out. And then I'm just going to lather it up. I'm in a hard water area, so and it still lathers up for me, so it shouldn't be a problem for anybody else. I did buy a sample from fat.Com just to test to see if it would lather up for me before buying the full puck. I would say just lather it, or lather it with a brush for a little bit longer than you would normally a medium, sort of medium to hard soap. I'm not going to lather up my face because I've got to have a shave in a minute, so I'll just do a hand lather for you. Plenty of suds here. That's what I've got on my brush. Just wet my hand. As I said, when you bloom it, it doesn't matter if it's warm water or cold water. I watched a Stallion video, and that's he said to load or get a good lather from Mitchell's wool fat, because a while back there was a few people saying they couldn't get a lather from it, or having trouble. Just takes a little bit longer than, as I said, some other soaps. It's a triple milled soap, so it's gonna last you a long time. It's just got a clean, fresh, soapy scent to it. I like it. Some people don't like it. Just keep building and building until you get a good, peaky, thick, slick. As the name suggests, wool fat has got lanolin in it. Now once you know how to lather and bloom it, you'll get a good consistent lather. Post shave is superb. Yeah, and that's what I've got on my brush still. And just take all that out of the brush. And that's just from a couple of minutes of lathering it. Nice stiff peaks. You feel the slickness and the cushioning on your hand. Good cushion. Yeah. So if you just go in with a dry brush and dry brush, or just a dry soap with a damp brush, you probably won't get as good as a lather as you would if you would like bloom it. Nice, thick, consistent. Yeah, so that's how you lather Michel's wool fat. So I'm going to be shaving with this now, so there'll be another video showing the shave and some other things I'm using for the first time today. Plus, because of the scent, you can match anything with it. You can see the slickness on my hand layout. Still got the residual slickness and protection behind. Let's get rid of that. You can buy the puck on its own for something between sort of £7 and £9, or you can buy the container, the ceramic container with the lid. I think it's about £18–19. So I'm looking forward to shaving with that. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again next time, and have a good day.